General knowledge about India. Name the first University of India. Answer: Nalanda University. Where is the India's first nuclear center? Answer: Tarapur. Name the first atomic submarine of India. Answer: INS Chakra. What is the name of the first British to visit India? Answer: Hawkins. Name of the first election commissioner of India. Answer: Sukumar Sen. Name of the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India. Answer: Fa Hian. Name of the first recipient of Bharat Ratna. Answer: Khan Abdul Jafar Khan. Where was the first post office opened in India? Answer: Kolkata in 1727. Name of the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Name of the first space tourist of India. Answer: Santosh George. Name of the first aircraft carrier Indian ship. Answer: INS Vikrant. Name of the first Indian who reached South Pole. Answer: I.K. Bajaj. India's first woman president. Answer: Pratibha Patil. Name of the first Indian to get Jnanpith Award. Answer: G. Shankar Kurup. First President of India. Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Name of the first Speaker of Lok Sabha. Answer: G.B. Mablankar. Name of the first Indian to get Bharat Ratna. Answer: Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. First Indian to go into space. Answer: Rakesh Sharma. Name of the first person to get Paramvir Chakra. Answer: Major Somnath Sharma. Name of the first woman governor of India. Answer: Sarojini Naidu. India's only naval aviation museum is located in. Answer: Goa. The Disaster Management Act was enacted in India in the year. Answer: 2005. The headquarters of Western Air Command of Indian Air Force is located at. Answer: New Delhi. How many states in India have legislative council, Vidhan Parishad? Answer: 6. Which industry in India is the maximum consumer of water? Answer: thermal power. The National Police Academy is located at. Answer: Hyderabad. What was the basis of the reorganization of state in India in the year 1956. Answer. Language. In which state is Kudankulam nuclear plant is located? Answer. Tamil Nadu. Which two states are connected by the Palakkad Gap? Answer. Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The first e-passport in India was issued to? Answer. Pratibha Patil. The Pal Strait separate India from? Answer. Sri Lanka. The Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in the state of? Answer. Rajasthan.